Come on, man. It's not that hard to stay inside the lines. Oh, fuck. Really? There's a freight train? Oh, Jesus Christ. Fucking God. Well, so much for catching the train on time. Everybody behind me is just turning around and doing a U-turn and heading back the other direction. Great, now the train's gonna stop. Oh my God. Don't you dare stop. Oh, the end of it's right there. There's the last one. Don't stop. Come on. Really? Holy shit. This better not be a freight train down here too. Nope, it's the train that I would have been on. And if I don't hurry up, I'm not going to make the next one either. Which is that one. Oh my God, the universe is kicking me in the balls this morning. Oh my God. Come on. Today's going to be the day some asshole runs this red light too. Or not. Oh, Jesus Christ. I get to just sit here for no reason. See, I'm going to catch the next 3 lights, too. Just watch. Catch this one. And of course, it's right when I come to a complete stop, it changes. Catch the next one. Right here, there's my train. Oh, I get to wait for an entire flock of pedestrians. That's what it is. I knew something was going to hold me back. I'm going. Everybody get the hell out of my way.